Today will be easy and fun. I will kick the ball very far.
Fun is good, Jaff, but please look around before you run. Wait, there's something behind those leaves.
Probably just a bird's nest, Dad.
I don't know, it looks like a giant beehive.
Dad, stop. There is a small bee nest behind the leaves.
Oh no, I did not see it. Everyone move back slowly now.
Good, we are far enough now.
The bees look calm now, too.
Let's just remember that tree is there.
I see the ball and I am ready. This will be my
Best kick today! Just be careful where you run, Jaff.
Jaff, stop there! The grass is wet and your shoes may slip.
Ow! Ugh, my knee hurts. I cannot stand up by myself.
Please stay still, Jaff. I will not pull you because I do not want to hurt you more.
I heard you, Jaff. Do not move your leg now. I need to check you first. Look at me and breathe slowly.
Everything is okay.
I am here too, Jaff. You can always to us.
I see the first clue. The grass is wet here.
Good looking, Huss.
I will get clean water, a soft towel, and a bandage. We will take a little rest first. You are with us, and everything is okay.
We are always here for you, Jaff.
There. The bandage is on now. Your knee is covered and clean.
It feels better already.
Take your time, Jaff. We can slow down and try again when you are ready.
I feel better now. I am ready to try again.
Take your time, Jaff. We can enjoy this moment together.
I like spending time with my family.
Lean on me. We will move slowly, and we will stop if it feels uncomfortable.
Now sit on the bench, drink water, and let your knee rest.
Thank you. I cannot run now, but I can still be part of the day.
Yes. Oh! Huss! The ball rolled near the flowers. Get it slowly and carefully.
Do not step into the flowers, Huss. Use your eyes first, then use your hands.
Okay, Dad. Got it. I can almost reach the ball. I just need to move this little branch. Ow! Something sharp touched my hand. It is not a bee, but it feels uncomfortable. There's a hidden thorn behind the flower.
I see the second clue. This sharp thorn was hiding behind the flower when I reached for the ball.
I saw the flower, but I did not see the thorn behind it.
Do not rub it, Huss. Clean water and gentle hands will make it feel much better.
The water is cold, but it helps.
I know, you're so brave. There, keep it clean and do not touch the branches again.
It still feels a little uncomfortable, but I feel much better because you cleaned it.
Yeah, just try to be more careful next time, little.
Now we both have bandages. We are matching.
The soccer problem is done and the flower clue is solved. Now let us fly the kite.
Yes! Let's do it!
We can fly the kite, but everyone stays on the open grass and away from the flowers.
And please keep the kite away from that big tree.
Okay, got it.
Go, Dad. I cannot run today, but I can be the team coach.
Ready when you are, Coach.
The kite is going up. I will let the string go slowly, not too fast.
It looks beautiful. Keep going, Dad.
See, family team. I know exactly how to fly this kite.
Famous last words, Dad.
Dad, the kite is going to the tree. The wind is pulling it away from us.
Do not worry. I can get the kite down if I stay careful and move slowly. It is only stuck a little. One small pull should make it free.
Wait! No! Stop! Look, Dad!
I see small flying things near that branch. Please do not touch them.
I see the string, but I do not see any danger.
I will only pull it one time.
Ugh!
Just one tug.
Don't do it!
Whoa!
Look out!
Wait, Elia. If something is near that branch, we should look first and not rush.
Oh no! I did not see it! Everyone move back slowly now.
Stay calm and walk back slowly. Do not wave your arms and do not run near the bees.
My nose feels uncomfortable. I think a bee touched me when I moved too close.
Sit down, Elia. I need to check your nose and make sure you can breathe well. Elia, take one slow breath for me.
I can breathe, but my nose feels big, hot, and very silly.
Stay here and keep calm, Elia. I will get something cold for your nose. Cold helps reduce swelling, Mom. We learned that with Jaff's knee, too.
This cold cloth can help your nose feel much more comfortable.
I wanted to save the kite, but now my nose needs saving first.
Dad, you told me to rest after my knee, so now you must rest too.
You are right. I rushed, and
I wanted to be strong today, but I needed help too.
You saved our family day. I do not always know what will happen. The kite can stay there for now. I think the bees need quiet time too.
The bees are calm again now. They did not want to bother anyone. Okay, it is time for the detective review. There were 3 clues today.
Go ahead, Detective Huss.
Detective Huss sees clue number 1. Jaff moved too fast on the wet grass and his shoes slid. Next time, I will look at the ground carefully before I run after the ball. Excellent. Noted. Lesson learned. Clue number 2. A sharp thorn was hiding behind a pretty flower in the garden.
Next time, look carefully at branches before touching flowers or plants.
Always use your eyes first, then your hands. Clue number 3. Dad pulled the kite string near the bee nest without looking carefully first.
Next time, I will listen before I pull a string near a tree.
So, detectives, what is the answer to our family mystery today? The answer is not a magic bag. The answer is Mom staying calm and helping everyone.
Oh, things can help us. But looking, listening, and staying calm help even more. Look, listen, stay calm. That evening, the family walked together with 3 small experiences and 1 big lesson.
Best kind of family day.
Eat slowly, everyone. After a big adventure day, warm food is the best medicine.
I completely agree with that.
After everyone is ready, Jaff.
Okay, Mom. My knee still feels a little uncomfortable, but I feel happy because you all stayed with me. That is what family does, Jaff. We always stay with each other. My hand feels much better now. Thank you for cleaning it before I made it worse.
You were very brave and very calm, Huss. I am proud of you. My nose looks a little funny, but my heart is very thankful for your quick help.
You are still our brave dad.
from now on, Mom is the captain of safety on all our family adventure days.
Agreed.
A family adventure is not about never falling. It is about helping each other stand again.
Every single time.